Now, when user performs email verification, they usually click on a link which they receive to their email address. And when they click on a link which contains the URL to the verification service and then a verification token, which is a part of URL query string, that will be HTTP GET request. And we do not really need to protect that GET request with an access token. So we'll make the URL to our email verification service a public one. And to do that, I will need to go to my project, and then I will go to security package and open web security Java file, where we have configured which web service endpoints are public and which are protected. And currently the only public URL that we have is for signing up. All other web service endpoints will require user authentication. So for us to add one more public endpoint, what we can do, we can copy the sign up URL and then add these and matchers after the permit all, and then do permit all again. So we are making public sign up URL, and then we are making public verification email URL, and we will need to create it. So let me go to my security constants where I have sign up URL, and here I'll add one more entry, which is going to be public static final string, but this one is going to be verification, let's say email URL. You can name it any way you like. Okay, and that's going to be, let's say, users email dash verification. Okay, so an HTTP GET request sent to /users /email verification will be a public one. So let's go back to web security, and here we will change sign up URL to our new verification email URL, like this. And we will also change the method that's going to be HTTP GET. So now we have two publicly opened URL that do not require authorization header, and these are sign up URL and verification email URL. Others will need user authentication. Okay, so let's continue.